Increasing accessibility to quality childcare in areas of significant need across the state. That's what a new grant through Oklahoma Human Services aims to do. So here with me now to learn more about it is Child Care Director Brittany Lee. Brittany, welcome in.
Thank you so much for having me.
Important stuff we're talking about here today.
Absolutely,
that's for sure.
absolutely.
So the name of this grant's interesting. It's called the Child Care Desert Startup Grant.
Yes.
This concept of a child care desert, what exactly does that mean?
So a child care desert is any county that does not have enough licensed adequate child care for the working families within that county.
Okay, and how big of an issue is that here in Oklahoma?
Well, for Oklahoma, we have 34 out of our 77 counties that we consider a child care desert.
34 out of 77.
Yes.
Okay, so give me some numbers here. What qualifies it as a child care desert then? Are there any numbers that you guys look for in particular?
Well, so we worked with the Center for American Progress. They are nationwide leaders on identifying child care deserts, and they looked at our entire landscape, and of that, we discovered that we have 34 counties that we would want to really have additional child care programs added to support our families.
When the place that you live doesn't have enough childcare options, walk me through some of the stresses that can cause for families.
You're looking at a ton of different options. You're either considering families, just seeing who's available to watch, or you're really having to go out of your way to find the next space that will actually have enough coverage for your family.
And childcare in general, I feel like even when there are enough options, it's still very expensive. There's so many barriers. So to just not have enough in general,
Right.
I can only imagine the stresses that's putting on some of our
Absolutely.
families. So this grant,
Yes.
tell me, what's the overall mission of it, and what do you hope that this grant will do?
Absolutely. So, Oklahoma Human Services Child Care Services Division is utilizing our American Rescue Plan funds to really expand the child care business and allow for more opportunities for either expansion of our current programs or really wanting to get some additional programs to help give us a little bit more options for childcare for our families.
Okay, so let's talk about the application process.
Yes.
Who exactly are you looking for to apply for one of these grants?
So we are looking for anyone who really loves working with children, who really wants to get into the space of helping our communities, and we're wanting them to go out to our website and look through. We have FAQs, all the additional information they need, but anybody who really wants to get into the business of childcare, now is the time.
Do they already need to be licensed, or is this something that they can apply for?
They apply for their license. So we will walk them through that entire process. We just have a quick link that they're able to fill in a few things, and they'll have a licensing specialist reach out to them. They'll visit with them and they'll walk them through the process and help them identify what exactly is needed. And from there, we take care of the rest.
So this is really kind of a full service type thing.
Absolutely.
It's not just people who are already established, it's people who want to get into the business, which is sometimes really difficult to find your in, I guess you could say. So if you've been looking for that sign of working with kids, and
this is the sign. This is the time. These deserts are spaces that we really want to have additional care. So it's for our current providers as well. If they're in a space where they can expand their capacity, which means that they can have allowance for additional children, now's the time for them as well. But also for new people looking to get back into this business. If they've walked away from childcare, now's the time to get back in, look for some facilities, and then come in and start that childcare.
Wow. Okay. So once established, and maybe someone receives a grant, or I would imagine that prolonged, communication with you guys, with your office, is something that still exists post this.
Yes.
So what kind of work do you all do with current and existing child care providers and future ones just to provide that support ongoing?
So our mission within Child Care Services is to ensure that our Oklahoma families have access to quality, licensed, affordable child care programs. And so we have licensing specialists that routinely go out to child care programs to ensure the health and safety of the children. We also have a program called the Quality Rating Improvement System that identifies those high quality educational programs and supports them as well. So we do that full service service from our division, but we do have people that routinely go out to these programs to assist them with what they need.
Give us some logistics here. How much money could each child care provider get for their grant? Give me the logistics. Yeah.
Sure. So for this program, what we're doing, we have a twofold. So it's $10,000 in total. It starts with $5,000 based on their capacity for each spot. So starting out, that is enough capital to really get them started and moving. Within a year, or actually at the year mark, based on their enrollment, they'll get $5,000 per child that's enrolled.
Okay, last question. Where can we find the application, and is
Yes.
there a deadline?
So the application is going to be on oklahoma.gov/OKDHS. You'll just search for Child Care Services. You'll find all that information. Our deadline for this application is July 30th of next year, or until our budgeted funds run out.
Okay, so honestly, you should just get in early
Do it
if you're
now.
interested.
Yeah.
That's the message I'm getting there. Okay, Brittany, thank you so much for coming on today, telling us all about this important grant. We'll put the information as well on our website, KSEL.com, in the As Seen On section, so our viewers can find it there. Thanks so much for coming on today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We appreciate you.